Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to set up Android emulator MuMu player 12. So I'm just click and open MuMu player. So wait for opening. So guys, how this video total education. So I hope subscribe my channel and please hit the like button. So just MuMu player opening, and I will show how to log in your Google account in Android emulator MuMu app player. So guys, now open emulator and click system application and click Play Store. So now open Play Store and just log in Google account. So guys, now I'm click on sign in and I'm just log in my Google account. So guys, this is just loading and wait for response. So guys, this is the Google interface and I'm just login my Google account. And hit enter. I'm just typing my email address and then just type my password. So guys, now my Gmail account is login and two-step verification. So to keep account safe and Google want to make sure that really you trying to sign in, then I'm just mobile approve 57 and then login done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this video to keep watching this channel. So subscribe our channel and notification bell icon, press all notifications set. So goodbye, next time chat with another new video.